Hey everyone, Matthew here at Earthworks, and today the plant of the week we're going to talk about is Plumbago. This is not only a fantastic plant for your lawn, your garden, your containers, it's also Rhonda King's favorite plant here at Earthworks, and if you come in, she'll talk your ear off all about the Plumbago. But not only is it a great plant to attract pollinators, things like butterflies, but it's also a very rugged and resilient plant. And although if we have cold snaps, it can take a bit of a burn, it is generally very, very reliable and will come back in the spring. If you allow it to, it can get up to 6 feet tall and maybe 6 feet wide or a little bit more. But with an occasional pruning and an occasional haircut here and there, you can keep it pretty much any size you want. And like I alluded to earlier, you can grow these in containers. They're stunning when they're just flowing out the top of a pot. They're great as standalone specimens, and they're great paired with other plants with different colored leaves or even different colored flowers for that contrast effect that you can get. So come on into Earthworks. We keep Plumbago in stock all the time. They're a very reliable, heat-loving, once established, drought-tolerant flowering plant for any garden.